In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up and use sales funnels in Zoho CRM. To begin, sign in to Zoho CRM and look to the top right corner of your screen. Click the settings icon. This is where Zoho keeps all the tools for adjusting how your CRM works, including the fields that control your sales process. Once you are in settings, find the customization section. Under customization, click modules and fields. This area lets you control what information is tracked inside each module, and it is also where you can tailor the stages of your deal pipeline to match how your team actually sells. Now open the list of modules and select Deals, then choose Standard. The Deals module is where your opportunities live, and the Stage field is what drives the funnel view, so we need to adjust that field first. Next, locate the Stage field in the layout. Hover your mouse over Stage and you will see a three-dot menu appear. Click those three dots. Then choose Edit Layout. This opens the Layout Editor, where you can update the available stage values that represent the steps in your funnel. From here, add new funnel stages or rename existing ones so they reflect your real process. Keep stage names clear and consistent. Use wording that your whole team will understand at a glance, and try to keep the stages in the same order that deals move from early interest to closed business. When you are finished editing, click Done to confirm the changes. Then click Save to apply them to your deals layout. Saving is important because if you leave without saving, your stage updates will not appear in the funnel. After your stages are set, go back to the Deals module. In the top right area of the Deals screen, click the Kanban icon, which looks like vertical bars. This switches your view into a funnel-style board, where each column represents one of the stages you just configured. You can now scan your pipeline by stage and quickly see where deals are stacking up. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.